Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Al, and welcome. Today, folks, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to go to a place here in Sarasota at 2542 17th Street in Sarasota, and this is called the Cat Depot. This place is a legend. They've adopted out over 17,000 cats over Florida and other places, and this is considered like the premier place in all of Florida to adopt a cat. These cats are rescue cats. They're feral cats. So we have an appointment to meet up with Eric in here, and he said we could film, and I thought it'd be a great way to maybe help someone adopt a cat. You know, we lost our friend Curly. We lost my friend Curly, Bichon Frise, who was 15 and a half. We lost him a couple months ago. I put a nice picture up of Curly. So we're thinking about adopting a cat in the near future, and we just want to come here today and hopefully help some people adopt some cats, see it ourselves, and who knows, you know? So stay tuned for a great video on Cat Depot. So this is an outside look of the Cat Depot. They've also got a clinic here, so you can basically see right here from the outside. It's very, that's an iconic logo that they have right here at 2542. So we're gonna go in right now and say hello to them. So hey folks, we're here at Eric, and he's gonna tell us a little about the Cat Depot.
Well, welcome to Cat Depot. My name is Eric Bodenrader. I'm the volunteer and education manager here. We always like to start off our tours right here in our welcome center. This is the hub of all of our operations, where we man the telephone calls, direct services to all of our various departments, as well as sell everything for cats and cat lovers that you could possibly imagine here at Cat Depot. Primarily, we're here as a resource center, as well as an education and adoption center, as well as we also have a public clinic that offers affordable wellness services, vaccinations, and other pet services here. So we are a well-rounded, well-respected, nonprofit feline organization right here in the city of Sarasota. So without further ado, we'll take a stroll through our adoption floor, where you can see some of our amazing cats and what an amazing facility that we have for our cats and our cat lovers.
That's amazing. It's awesome. Can't wait to see them.
Come on in.
All right, let's go. I'm excited. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Will do. Wow, it's so clean here, Eric. It's just, we want to thank you for your hospitality too.
Absolutely.
We know we kind of called you last minute,
No.
and it's just amazing.
Our schedule was perfectly free this afternoon, so we love doing these types of things, especially where we're helping folks. And if we can bring attention to what we do here and our cause, we're here about saving cats and uniting families, so this is what we're all about here at
That's
Cat
great.
Depot.
And we want to give a shout out to Gina and Louis Cavedo too, because if it wasn't for them, we would have never heard of this place. And like I say, big shout out to them. They're big cat lovers and great friends of ours. So
Nice. Well, I'm glad they pointed you in our direction.
we will do. We'll be adopting one soon. I know it.
Awesome. Once you're in town.
Wow.
What's unique about us here at Cat Depot is we have free roaming pods. As
Oh,
you
wow.
can see, they have plenty of space.
Look at this.
It's
Wow.
amazing. I came here from New Hampshire, and literally when I came in to apply for this job, my mind was blown.
This is incredible. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Yeah.
I mean, we come from Brooklyn, and there's a great place there called Sean Casey, and they adopt animals out. But it's, it's a storefront, and it's nowhere, and they do great work over there as well, but it's nowhere near anything like this,
No,
which is just,
Yeah, it's amazing.
it's like a hotel.
That's what I always say. You just stole my thunder. I always say this is a 5-star hotel for cats. They have every service that they could possibly want. They have maid service, they have room service, they have their own private vet team, they have their own cleaning service, they
Wow.
get fed 3 times a day, they get groomed, they get cared for. There's not much that they actually will want for.
The only thing they need is a home.
And that's exactly what we're here for. Our amazing team of adoption counselors, as well as all of us, we pitch in.
Yeah.
I'm in communications, but we have our in-shelter medical team. We have our cat care team that actually feed and clean and take care of the cats. We're here for these cats.
So if somebody wants to volunteer here, how would they go about, what's the process? Like, do you need a certain background?
No, not necessarily. We're just starting to do some reopening here from COVID.
Okay.
We pretty much shut things down at the end of March 2020. We are just starting to reopen some volunteer opportunities here. So onboarding new volunteers is still kind of on hold at the moment.
Right.
Hopefully within the next couple of months, 2 months or so, we'll be having some additional opportunities.
Oh, that's great.
They can always give us a call here at Cat Depot. Our number is 941-366-2404. and would be happy to give you some information about volunteer opportunities, hopefully in the future.
That's amazing. All right, great. Thank you so much. I know there's going to be people that want to volunteer here. It's just amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. So we're going to take a little tour and see some of them.
Yes, absolutely.
Wow.
Absolutely. We got an adoption going on over here, so I think
Oh,
just kind
okay.
of
Skid out of this one. Adorable.
What's really unique on this side.
Look at this guy.
And that is Murphy.
Murphy. Hi, Murphy. There's Murphy, ready to be adopted. For anyone out there, come on down and adopt him.
Yep.
He's got a couple of friends down here.
That's Houdini.
Houdini. Well, hopefully he can disappear real soon. Someone could adopt him.
He needs a really good home. I love his story. My coworker Katie found him, and he came to us in real rough shape.
Really?
And he's been here for a while, and he's doing medically well. So he just needs to find his forever home.
I love that, forever home.
Forever home.
Forever home. I think. Did you coin that?
No, I didn't coin that one. I'm not that clever. Certainly not.
That is incredible.
And what's neat about this side of the building, we have what we call catios here. It's all fenced-in areas. See where the glass door is?
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have like a little dog door underneath the television set
Oh,
in between
wow.
the two red chairs. So during the day, the cats can go outside if they're so inclined.
And they get television here too.
Every pod has a TV.
Holy
For
cow.
stimulation and interaction, correct.
I've never seen anything like this.
It's state-of-the-art. It really
I think when
is.
people watch this, they're going to want to move in.
Well, yeah. Come visit, come support us, come adopt is what we're really all
That's
about.
what it's all about.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I'm shocked and awed, let me tell you. Hi, Murphy. Wow. Houdini's sharpening up there. All right, folks, you need to come down and adopt Houdini. Wow.
This is your sweet pod right here. We've got Candy, Panther, Millie, Ziggy, Gucci, and Hadley,
Look at that. Wow.
which is
And-
great too. Each pod has its own individual theme with their linens and their color schemes.
Oh, my
So,
God.
I mean, their linens are washed constantly.
Yeah, yeah. So each one's got its own theme. You got pink
Yeah.
in this one.
Yep.
Look at
We've got
this.
a jungle theme. We've got kitten pods with different colors and so forth.
Wow.
And what's nice about Cammy and Panther here, they came to us as a bonded pair. So that means that they are bonded. They have a deep friendship and connection, so we will not separate them.
Exactly.
So if someone is interested in adopting them, they have to go home together.
I love that. I just
Yeah,
love,
it's-
not separating any families.
No, absolutely. We're about
Wow.
uniting families, certainly not about separating them.
That is
And
amazing.
you can tell that these
You
two
can
are
tell.
truly bonded.
Look at this too. And one's a boy, one's a girl, you said, right?
Yes.
Wow. They look so happy and content in there.
Mhm.
Look at that. Their TV room. Look at this is amazing.
Thank you very much.
This is really something. I've never seen anything like this in my entire life.
We're not done.
It's breathtaking.
It certainly is.
Wow. What do you think?
Nice.
There's something?
This is traditionally one of our kitten pods, but right now we have adults in it at the moment. But probably once these folks are adopted, we will convert it back to kittens.
Wow.
Even you notice the sofa in there from a design standpoint. That's great, not only for potential adopters that can sit and play with the kittens, but it also
Right.
makes kittens that may not be used to a home familiar with things that they would see in a home.
Right, yeah.
Wow, that is something. I love that because, when they go to a home, they'll already be like, okay, here's my couch. I'm good.
Correct. Correct.
Wow.
Yeah, this is our little guy, Purdy. He's
Purdy?
I'd say he's about 3 months old.
Oh, he's adorable.
Hey, buddy.
He wants to go home. Look at that. He's so
does.
friendly. I wish I could take you today. We're not ready just yet, but I'm hoping to come back soon.
Yeah, he'll be back out. Something tells me.
Oh, I know. I think I will be. Hi, Purdy. You know what my biggest problem is when I come here? I'm not going to know which one to take, but this guy, I think we're bonded right now.
He's a sweetie.
Wow.
And here it's feeding time, so.
Feeding time.
Dinner time.
Soup's on.
Soup is on.
What's on the menu tonight?
Oh, some Friskies pate. and
Friskies?
Some cheese fillets.
Wow.
They all know the sound of the cart. They hear you coming.
Oh,
and
there
they
you
all
go. That's the
start.
food cart. Look at, I didn't realize. And look at them all gathering. Or we're not going to bother you. You guys are going to eat. Don't worry. Wow. It's like what's the old commercial, 9 Lives? They sing for their supper, I think it was called.
They sometimes do. Yeah.
Meow Mix, that was it. There you go.
Thanks for waiting for the assist on that.
Perfect. I remember Morris too.
Yeah, me too. We have Junior and Lori in here.
Oh, and you got a calico in there.
Yeah, we've got a couple calicos. She's a beautiful, beautiful girl. She's about 9 months old.
Adorable. And what is the thing that only 5% of calicos are male cats, I think it is?
Less than that.
Less than that.
It's an extreme rarity for a male to be calico.
Okay.
It does happen, but I would say it's probably 98%.
Wow.
They're all females. I've
Holy
actually
cow.
had the privilege of having 4 calicos.
Really?
For years. They were all female, but
Okay.
it's just an amazing statistic.
Wow. Why is that? Some genetic?
Genetic DNA, I'm not 100% sure
Wow.
why that is, but it is what it is.
There you go. Wow. And look at the theme on this one. It's like kind of like a zebra theme, jungle theme.
Yeah.
Jungle. Wild cats, big cats. Look at that. And these are all the people who've adopted from you, Eric?
Well, this was a fundraising campaign that happened a few years back where people
Okay.
could buy a cause with a particular message. Some are, in remembrance, some are just happy. So
Right.
It was a great fundraiser that was done by our development team a few years ago.
That's a great idea. You folks are watching. We have a 501c3 as well, the Waffles Foundation. So I think Eric's given me a lot of great ideas here too.
Awesome.
We'd love to partner with them more and more as time goes on. Look at these guys.
This is our kitten pod right here.
Kitten Pod.
We have, let me see, how many kittens do we have in here? We've got 7. 7 kittens.
Wow. That's a nice lucky number.
It is a lucky number.
Look at this guy. This one's trying to come. We can't let you out just
See,
yet.
this is why we have plexiglass here, to make sure that they don't hurt themselves, escape, try to climb, get
Right.
stuck.
That's amazing. And you got a Valentine's theme going on in this one. You're on the chair. You're already spoiled.
Try to figure out his name. That might be either Gremlin or Bashful. I'm trying to see their cage cards, and I'm having a tough time.
I'm guessing on Gremlin because he doesn't seem like he's too bashful.
No. We had a Snow White theme for a while, and Bashful's still left in that little. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah, we had Snow White.
I love it.
Sneezy, sleepy, the whole 9 yards.
The whole 9 yards, Doc.
Yeah, we did. Yep.
Yep. I know. I work at Disney, so I know it well.
Exactly. But yeah, and of course it's dinner time, so they're all going to have a ball. They'll probably get hyper for a while, and then
Nice.
crash, and then they'll be wild.
Yeah. Wow. This is something. All right. Wow. Incredible.
It's an amazing facility.
This is incredible. And what we got going on?
We've got Polka Dot, Fedora,
Polka dots.
Sunshine, Hakuna, and Zazu in here.
Look at this polka dot guy. He's got like a little mustache on him.
Actually, it's just female.
Oh, it's a female.
It's a female, and her name
Wow.
is Polka Dot.
So that's a domestic short hair.
Yep, with what I would call a mustache. Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. So she might be hiding out. Look at these two.
Where is she?
Wow. I wish I could take you right now. This is going to be my biggest problem. Who to take?
That's either Zazu or Hanukkah. So.
Wow.
And
So a quick, Eric. So if someone is like allergic to animals, right? Like we had a Bichon. What would be the best cat to get? Is it a short hair or?
I mean, short hair, domestic short hair, yes, but there's no 100% hypoallergenic free cat. It really
Right.
depends on the cat, the environment, their dander, things of that
Right,
nature.
right.
So we always try to, advise people accordingly. If you think you might be allergic,
Yeah.
proceed with caution before making a lifetime commitment.
Exactly. Is there anything you could do like to bathe? Not bathe them, but I mean like any kind of like shampoo you could use for them or
Yeah, you
to
probably
keep the
best
dander?
thing would be to talk to a vet. I mean, obviously,
Yeah.
keep them groomed, brush them
Right,
frequently,
right.
vacuum the house frequently.
Right,
Things
exactly.
like that, just clean.
Yeah.
Things like that can help.
Exactly. Because I'm thinking like a short hair. I mean, You wouldn't want to get a Mancoon or one of those. I mean,
Yeah.
that's going to be extra furry.
Definitely.
Look at you in here.
That's Grizzly.
Grizzly. You're adorable. Hello. You want to come out too? Look at those ears. Very pretty. And the eyes. So you guys out there, hope your hearts are melting right now and you're going to come down to the Cat Depot and adopt. So, Eric, as far as the adoption goes, like what do you guys look for? Obviously a loving person to adopt them.
Obviously, that's all part of the criteria.
Right.
People are interested in adopting. We are by appointment only for that service.
Okay.
The first step in getting an appointment with us is to actually go to our website, catdepot.org, where you can go to our adoption page. You can see all the wonderful cats and kittens that we currently have up for adoption. If they're on our website, it is live time, so
Okay.
they are here. And the first step is to fill out the application. It takes about 5 minutes, and our adoption team will review it. And if and when it's approved, you'll get an email to say to give us a call. Then we schedule you an appointment to come in.
Awesome. Come in for your forever friend.
One-on-one time with an adoption counselor, and we can interact with the cats and all the dogs that you might be interested in.
Amazing.
And they will assist you in matching you with your perfect forever friend.
Oh, that's nice. I love that. That's kind of like when you get a canine dog, you know, they match the perfect one
Yeah.
with the perfect personality.
Exactly. And I firmly believe that sometimes cats choose you.
I think so too.
They sometimes
I really
pick their
do.
own owner. I know mine did. My
Yeah,
first
yeah.
cat, she was a stray that wandered in my former office, and I tried to find her home, and no one knew who she belonged to. They all thought she was abandoned, and I brought her home. My
Wow.
first cat, and then became a cat guy. So
Wow. I just love, I'm crazy about all kinds of animals. Yesterday we went to the Moat Aquarium, and it's weird. I mean, I don't know. I'm not going to say I'm Dr. Dolittle, but like I was talking to this octopus, right? And it's on the video I just uploaded. And the lady goes, that octopus is never really even that active. He must like your voice or something because usually just hangs out there because you must have something with animals. I'm like, I think I do, but I don't know. I'm not going to brag or nothing, but I think they just know I love them. I think it's that simple. There's no talent. It's just,
absolutely.
you have your heart out there and you love them. And I think that's what it comes down to. Right? You know that. Oh, sorry. Wow. There's just another idea right here. Got more families coming in to adopt. Amazing. Holy cow. Look at that. I want to thank Eric for this awesome tour, and I hope you guys want to come down and adopt a cat. This is an amazing place. If you haven't already fallen in love, come down and make an appointment. Like Eric said, you're going to fall in love with them. Eric, I want to say thank you for giving us such an amazing
you're so welcome.
tour.
It's my privilege.
And for doing all the great work that you do. It's amazing.
Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to when you guys move down here so you can come in, make an appointment, and adopt.
We certainly will. We're not going to go anywhere else. I'm already sold.
Awesome.
My biggest problem is which one it's going to be. That's going to be my problem.
Well,
but
sometimes
we'll
we
pair
can
them
do
up.
more than one. So
Yeah, I might get
sometimes-
those two over there, the two that are together.
Exactly. Sometimes two are easier than one.
All right, well, folks, you heard it from Eric. Come on down and visit Cat Depot. Hey, so before we go, I found Polka Dot. Polka Dot's in the little cubby over there. Look, Polka Dot. And she's got the little mustache. Kind of like a Groucho Marx mustache. Look, there you go. Look at that.
Polka dot.
Look at that little mustache. We're not forgetting about you. Don't worry.
Sunshine.
Sunshine, we love you too. Don't worry. She's like, you're forgetting all about me. There's Polka Dot. Don't worry. I didn't forget about you. We'll get you a nice close-up. Look. There you go. Go to your scratching post. There you go. That's it. All right, everyone, so we're going to wrap up this video. Please come on down to the Cat Depot. I want to thank them all once again. They're so accommodating. Such a beautiful place. All these cats need is a home. So in the back, you're looking at Cato. He's they have the cat that's been here the longest that hasn't been adopted. They always make the cat mayor. So this at this present time, it's Cato. He's 8.5 years old. But there's so many great cats here to adopt, folks. Come on down, adopt a cat, get your forever friend, and stop on by. So this is Al signing off from Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you can, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now, folks. Take care now. Bye-bye.